Hi friends, I'm Slaya. Today I'll show you how to create a hyperlink in Excel. If you are ready, let's get started. First, start by clicking the cell where the hyperlink will be added. The cell I want to add the hyperlink to is cell C5, so I'll click there. Then click on the Insert tab above. Click on Link from the tab that opens. First, let's add another existing file as a link to the Excel sheet, and then let's add a web page. After selecting the file I want to add as a hyperlink, I click OK. Let's test. As you can see, we've successfully added another Excel file as a hyperlink to the Excel sheet. Now, let's add a web page as a hyperlink to the Excel sheet. Again, with the same steps, first I click once on the cell where I want to add the link, then I click on Link from the Insert tab. Paste the URL of the website you want to add to the address field and click OK. As you can see, the website has been added as a hyperlink. Let's test it. If you found the tutorial video on how to create a hyperlink in Excel helpful, please subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.